Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. We'll try one more. We have 3 takes to go from. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. Whatever time it might be, welcome back to my garage. I want to thank you for coming along with this journey, but today it is going to wrap up the scooter project. We got it all built back together. We're just going to put on the outside trim and it's good to go. So let's get to it and have some fun along the way turning a wrench. So with any big bore kit that you do on a GY6 engine, you're going to need to do a little bit of modifications to this plastic shroud, because right now it just does not want to fit, and that's because it's a little bit bigger. So what we need to do is see where it is getting some pinching or where it's not fitting or aligning, and cut out a little bit of the plastic. We want to be careful not to get any of the areas that have the screw holes in it, but what we can do is cut out some other pieces and see if we can get this to fit, because right now it is not going. Now with this plastic piece securely on my workbench, I can go ahead and remove the offending part. I've been slowly going back and forth, trying to get a little bit at a time until I get the clearance I need to actually make it work. And I think that might be it. That should be just enough. We'll grab some clips just for this part, try and make it neat as possible. And that should be good to be able to fit onto the engine. Now after a couple tries, I can come back over here and see if I have the clearance. I need to look out for this cable for the brakes. Adjust it onto the metal in this plastic liner right here that acts as a gasket or a sealer. The bottom's coming up and around, and it looks like I'm good. So next I can test out, make sure I got a good fit for my carburetor. There's not, oh wow, that went right on. It is home. That is amazing. So let's get this put back together and we're about done.